Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your Duolingo login error. Now, to fix your Duolingo login error, there are three ways you can do this. The first way is to simply find the application, the Duolingo application on your device, long press on it like this, and then click on the uninstall button. Once you click on the uninstall button, the application will be deleted or uninstalled from your device. After you do that, simply go to Play Store like this and then search for the application. Once you search for the application and once it appears on your screen, go ahead and install it again. Now, if this method doesn't work, don't worry, I have another method in store for you. Now, if you have the Duolingo application installed into your device, sometimes this error occurs if you don't have it updated. Now, to check if the application is updated or not, simply open up the Play Store application like this, and on this page, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see this search option. Go ahead and click on it and then search for Duolingo. Now, once the Duolingo application appears on your screen, if the update button appears, that means that the Duolingo application is not up to date. So go ahead and click on that button to update it. And after this, your Duolingo application can run smoothly. Now, if this also doesn't fix your error, the final method you can use is to go to settings on your phone. After the settings menu appears on your phone, find this apps option and click on it. Once you click on the apps option, you will be redirected to this menu. Now on this menu on the top of your screen, you'll see this all apps option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the all apps option, all the applications on your phone will be displayed on your screen. Now you can scroll down and find the Duolingo application by simply scrolling down this menu, or you can click on the search option on the top right corner of your screen and type in Duolingo, and once the application appears on your screen, you'll have to click on it. Once you click on the Duolingo application, you will be redirected to this page. Now on this page, there are three options you can see: open, uninstall, and force stop. Now on those three options, simply click on this force stop and click on OK. After you click on force stop, all the operations from the Duolingo application will forcefully be stopped on your phone. Now after that, find the storage and cache option on this menu like this. Click on it and you will be redirected to this page. Now make sure that you don't click on this clear storage option, that will delete all the storage, your login credentials and everything. Just simply click on this clear cache option like this. After you click on this clear cache option, all the excess data from the Duolingo application will be deleted and it will be running smoothly. I hope this video helped you to fix your Duolingo login error. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.